everyone, I am Nikita Rawat, the school head girl. On the behalf of APS Clement Town, I extend a very warm welcome to the inspecting team. We are grateful for your valuable time and presence. As a unified and progressive community of students, teachers, and staff, our school has taken into its stride all the odds of the COVID 19 situation. In spite of the fear induced by COVID 19, our school has constantly motivated its students to stay healthy and fit and positive by holding special programs like Fit Shanivas and counseling sessions.
Our school stands for aspiring excellence, persevering values, and shaping dreams. Even when the world is grappling with uncertainty and chaos, our school is striving hard to reach its goal. In order to achieve this, it is focusing on holistic development of the students through co curricular activities. We hope we will continue to strive in the right direction for years to come and live up to our own expectations of excellence.
We must find time to stop and thank those people who make a difference in our lives. The COVID 19 pandemic has brought our lives to a standstill and has confronted the entire world with a crisis like never before. In times like this, doctors, nurses, other healthcare professionals, police personnel, and many others have played the role of frontline warriors. As a token of gratitude, today's assembly is for COVID 19 frontline warriors. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today's assembly is presented by the students of APS Clement Town.
Praise him, praise him, praise him in the morning, praise him in the noontime, praise him when the sun goes down. Thank him, thank him, thank you in the morning, thank you in the noontime, thank you when the sun goes down. Serve him, serve him, serve him in the morning, serve him in the noontime, serve him when the sun goes down. Praise him when the sun goes down. Praise him when the sun goes down.
Today's thought of the day is coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is a success. I repeat my thought once again coming together is a beginning, staying together is a progress, and working together is a success.
Word for the day is altruistic. It means showing selfless concern for the well-being of others.
The topic of the day is our frontline warriors. Warriors are not the ones who always win, but the ones who always fight. In the current fight against COVID 19, the frontline warriors have been acting as the backbone of our country. Since the beginning of the outbreak, the healthcare professionals have truly been selfless warriors, giving their everything to uphold their job responsibilities, even at the cost of cutting themselves off from their own families and loved ones. It is not only the doctors and nurses who have been serving the infected patients, but many pathologists, paramedics, ambulance drivers, healthcare administrators, and scavengers are working together as a team. In the fight against coronavirus, the medical army stands strong with their thermometers, stethoscopes, and ventilators as their weapons.
Since the outbreak of COVID 19, police personnel have played a crucial role in supporting efforts to control the disease and promote safer communities as well as combating threats from criminals taking advantage of the outbreak or diversify their activities. Our police forces has supported the implementation of public health facilities, ensured public order in and around containment areas, critical infrastructure, and where people gather, for instance, at pharmacies and shops, contact tracing, ensuring secure delivery of emergency supplies to healthcare centers.
In the end, I would say that extraordinary situations call for extraordinary responses. COVID 19 has proven to be an unpredictable and stressful year, with the new reality bringing to a variety of challenges for our educators and school teachers too, but they have worked with enthusiasm and sincerest efforts. So, all frontline warriors deserve our everlasting respect and gratitude. Thank you.
I promise to take all necessary precaution to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear mask, maintain 2-meter distance and wash hands with soap regularly. Together we can fight coronavirus.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे